SWIFT is essentially the computer hub that processes the world's financial transactions. It's been called the central nervous system of finance. Anthony Mason has been looking into what would happen if Iran were cut off. Anthony?
Scott, SWIFT said today it stands ready to implement sanctions against Iran as soon as the U.S. and the European Union agree on them. The move could shut down much of Iran's oil business and put a hand to the throat of the Iranian economy.
From its Brussels headquarters, the SWIFT network processes upwards of 80% of the world's cross-border payments, more than $6 trillion in transactions between banks and businesses every day. But Iran could be kicked off the system.
Has SWIFT ever cut a country off before?
No.
Leonard Schrank was CEO of SWIFT from 1992 to 2007.
Throwing somebody off the system, big. That's big. We've never done that before.
If SWIFT cuts off Iran, how will they do it?
Every country has a code, and they just delete it. It's like disconnecting somebody from their account on the internet. You can get another one, but at SWIFT there isn't another one.
44 Iranian banks and financial institutions have unique access codes to SWIFT that could be denied. Those Iranian companies currently send and receive more than 2 million transactions a year.
Anyone that wants to do business internationally has to eventually pay for what they buy or what they sell. And they won't have a pipe to do that. SWIFT, in a way, is the plumbing of the international financial system. They'll be cut out of that plumbing.
So basically, there's no easy way around this.
No, you're cut off, you're cut off.
Iran would be forced to pay cash, which would bring its economy to a crawl. The European Union is expected to reach a decision on sanctions within weeks. Iran could be cut off as early as next month, Scott.
Anthony, thanks very much. The White House thinks that the economic sanctions already imposed against Iranian banking and trade are beginning to bite. For example, the value of Iran's currency has dropped about 20%. There are some food shortages, and a basket of groceries in the capital, Tehran, that cost $73 in 2010 runs about $144 now.